Hey everyone, Sergio here with the Rideshare Guide. What do we say on Show Me the Money Club? Work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, which I have been for the past year and a half, you may be working a lot harder than you need to. Let's change that. Download the app, link your account where you can manage your income, track your expenses, as well as your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more money, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download the Solo app today. Begin to work smarter, not harder. Link is in the description. Let's get back to it.
Let's talk about competing with other drivers.
I don't know, bro. You sent me this. I was like, is this real? I'm like, what? And then you have to read the small print, though. But I was like, yeah, you go for this one. New Jersey drivers. Hey, look at you. You guys got upfront fares last week.
Ooh. Hot dog, man. You could get the New Jersey League. Who wants to be part of the New Jersey League?
Yeah.
Win up to $35.
I was like, this can't be real, but then it looks pretty real, and obviously it is real. There's a lot of Photoshop bullshit going on out there, but no, this is real.
No. I'm going to say that nearly every single person in this chat will never see this, and there's a reason why. Because this is for new drivers only.
Yeah.
So
newbies.
Let's go through. It says join the New Jersey League to win up to $35. Woo!
Woo!
Compete with other new drivers like you by completing rides trips. Woohoo! Track your progress among other drivers in your community on a leaderboard. And how it works: the competition starts November 24th at 6 a.m. and ends November 30th at 8 p.m. The leaderboard updates in real time, so you know where you stand. Drivers who complete the most ride trips and finish in the reward zone will win a reward. First place is $35. Second place is $25. Third, $20. Fourth, $15. Fifth, $10. But here's the best part. Then you read the fine print. Open a legal New Jersey residents residing in Uber's service market area with that are 18, have a valid driver's account with Uber app, have completed fewer than 15 lifetime trips as a driver with Uber. That's the biggest thing.
That's exactly why none of you got this.
If you continue to meet the eligibility requirements, you will be auto-enrolled in the next available competition in your community unless you opt out. You can opt out by participating in a league at any time. Eligible participants who opt in will compete against other participants in their community, which shall be determined by Uber and its sole discretion. If there are not enough participants in the community, then no contest will occur in that community for the period. Each potential winner will be notified via email or phone. See full terms and conditions for complete details, including how to enter, eligibility restrictions, prize description, and limitations. Void where prohibited. Sponsored by Uber Tech Inc.
Woo. Wow. So no wonder none of our New Jersey audience got any of this, because usually I would get the email immediately, right? And then I didn't get it, and you sent it to me. I'm like, what? And then I read the small print. I go, oh, now we know why.
You got to have at least 15 or less than 15.
Less than 15. You literally have to be a complete newbie, maybe like a one day old, basically, because you would knock out 15 trips in a day. So you literally have to be born on the Uber platform, literally in one single 24-hour period, and you have a chance for the $35. And I'm like, okay. So this is, don't you think that this is kind of copying Solo and Gridwise though? Like, like
a little bit. A little bit.
No,
but
it's not a scam. It's not a scam. It's real.
Here's the thing. I mean, like, first off, how many people sign up for Uber and Lyft and never take a trip a day in their life? They actually sign up, but they never do it.
A lot. I bet you it's
a lot. A ton. So this is probably, trying to get them to take their first couple of trips and get those people, addicted to that dragon.
Well,
I gotta chase that dragon.
The thing that doesn't make sense is, like, see, they're gonna get a lot of trips out of you to pay you $35, and fifth place is $10. So you may do so the top guy could do like 25 trips, let's say, and the fifth place guy could do 20 trips, but and I'm going like, $10, bro. Why even have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Just have You
I
know,
think what they
like
need to
throw
do
a
is
bunch of
add.
25s out there or something. I
You
don't
know what I
know.
think they need to do, because this is clearly in place of new signups. Like, you remember back in the day when we signed up, it's like you give 100 rides and you get $1,500.
Oh, bro, come on now. Those days, those were the days. I
I
mean,
know
I
those
would
were the
get that
days,
week
but
after week. Do
but here's the
100
thing.
trips, get 800. Do 100 trips, get 600. Do 100 trips,
Yeah,
get 900. I'm like,
what I
Jesus
think they
Christ.
need to do is add a 0 to each of those.
Yeah, that's
So
never gonna
first place
happen.
350, second place 250, third place 200, fourth place 150, fifth place 100. I think
That
that's more
would be.
fair. I think that's doable. I think that's completely,
I think that's
especially if you're not paying any new driver sign up bonuses or anything at this point now.
not anymore. Not anymore. So is this over? What does it say on the? I can't see the little print, but does it say over what period? Is it over a week? Is it
Yeah, it's
over?
the 24th to the 30th this month.
Oh my God, they're gonna
Next
get
week.
like maybe okay, if you're full time and you want to win this thing for the 35, you may end up doing like 150 trips or some ridiculous shit for that week.
Maybe, but I
That'll
mean,
come down to like 20 cents a trip. Don't do it, folks. Don't do it. This is bullshit. Don't do
well,
it.
first of all, again, I don't think our audience would be able to qualify for this in any way, because I guarantee you every single person has over 15 lifetime trips.
15 trips. What? That's another ridiculous
That's a
threshold, though.
brand new newbie.
Beyond newbie, fresh born, just fresh born, just out of the womb, like, out of the Uber platform womb. But I was like,
Haven't even
okay,
gotten your fishing legs yet.
yeah, that's just this is like because they don't send any more quests anyway. Quests have been completely eradicated. You know what I'm saying? I mean,
Yeah, I
literally,
mean,
like they've been
you might
eliminated.
see a couple here or there pop up in like some rando market,
Yeah.
but other than that, yeah, it's next to 0.
So
Um,
I was on the
Waste
coast to
needs to do
coast.
more.
They did send a lot of folks um, uh, delivery trips, and a lot of the coast to coast folks who are veteran rideshare drivers, they all took the money. It was like I think it was like 20 deliveries for $100 or something like that. Uber, you
Nice.
didn't send that to me. I would have done it. I mean, hey man, what's happening? But look, Uber knows, and then Uber knows when it's going to be busy. They have the data set, and then they'll just go, "Hey, we'll throw you some money just to get these orders out of the door." And I'll be like, "Okay, fine." So anyway, if you're a brand new newbie and you fall for this, I feel bad for you. I mean, I don't know, I mean, it ain't worth it. Don't do
Just
it.
make
But
sure it's not
then,
the guarantee though. Like the where I see people 20 for 200. Yeah, just
oh
make sure
my
it's not the
God, where
guarantee.
was I?
So
What
you're giving
Uber?
20 rides for a guarantee of $200. Well, what happens when you make 205 and you got nothing to show for it? Now, if it's $200 on top of it, that shit's money.
It's right there. Matt got it, and Matt knocked it out. 20 deliveries for 200, Chris.
Hell
You
yeah.
would do you would do 20 deliveries for 200 extra.
That I would do.
Yeah, fuck $10 in delivery. Just do like 1 mile trips. Just pick it up, drop it
Yeah,
off.
that I would do. That knock it off in a day.
I didn't sniff any of that. I didn't get any of that.
Hell.
I sneeze to hit Granada Hills real fast because when I go out to eat, I see all these drivers on like multiple phones, and I'm pretty sure that that's not their account.
Oh,
And
even better. Bonus, not guaranteed. So that's where it's at.
yeah,
Because
no
yeah, if you get
guarantee.
that, oh yeah, we'll give you $350 if you give 100 rides. Come on.
Look at this
Yeah, there you
shit.
go.
See, that's how you knock it out right there. Boom.
What's
Take
up, Steve?
that.
Smash that like button. Actually,
Smash
everybody
it.
smash that like button because you love this show.
Yeah. Anyway, but yeah. So yeah, I was like, you must be less than 15 trips. Less than 15 trips. I don't remember, but my first day out 10 years ago, I think I did like 35 trips or something, and I was like, man, and it was money was coming in like ridiculous, surging 3x,
Oh God,
4x,
yeah.
and I was like this is stupid. How
Oh
could
yeah.
this what
So
could go wrong with this thing?
when I started driving Uber, it was 2016. I was driving in Charlotte, North Carolina. Holy crap. You're getting paid like I'm like, I really got paid that much to go this far?
Yeah,
Really? Now it's like, you're joking me, right? I would never accept that.
that's the pendulum, baby. That's the
Oh
pendulum
my God.
swinging.
Flipped completely.
You'd be like
Um,
with the bonuses, it'd be like $70 an hour. solid money,
God.
like literally like solid $70 every week after week, I'd be like, yep, thank you. And then who knew it would be like this? Well, look where we are. So now we're doing $2.62 trips. So like,
Well, you know, hey, if ICE can do their job, then you might get a little bit of bonus coming back. Just saying.
I agree. Yeah, I know. Yeah.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you get notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.